What's up, guys? Today's March 14th, which means it's Pie Day. So my school actually gave us a mini pie, and I decided to take the apple pie because it's my absolute favorite, and it was personal size, so it's literally the size of my hand. I thought that was the most adorable thing ever. Let's do a little food test here. Oh my god, look at that filling. So good. So on St. Patrick's Day, I started off the day with this hot apple cider Keurig thing that I've never had before. So we'll see how that tastes. Instagram told me that they were giving out some free Chick-fil-A, so I had to go get some. Secured the goods. Alright, so now I'm back at work, and I'm just gonna devour this while taking a break and watching YouTube. Let me make sure I'm muted. Okay, so now I'm in class, but on my way from work to class, I got free insomnia cookies. And look at this. Wait for it to focus. Oh my god. I'm so excited. I haven't had insomnia cookies in so long. So right after class, this food truck came to give us free food. And it's just a sandwich or bread that has a chicken tender, a mozzarella stick, fries, and whatever sauce you want. I chose honey mustard.